the Passion Play, better known in the Philippines as the Cenaculo.
It's about the life and sufferings of Jesus Christ, principally. I suspect that the term cenaculo itself, which means cenacle, and which refers to the room in which the Last Supper was held, must have come or is related, no, to the fact that the very first passion that was represented or dramatized was the passion of Gaspar Aquino de Belen. So the first scene, I suppose, the set for the first scene
Was the Cenacle.
was the cenacle. So that term got applied to the whole play.
Dr. Nicanor Chongson is the creative director of the CCP. He's also the author of the book Cenaculo. Is the Passion Filipino?
The passion came from Spain, right? So there are Spanish passions, and we know that the influence came from Spain because the particular verse form that is used by the passion is the quintilla. Quintilla means 5 rhyming lines of 8 syllables each, and that's the Spanish passion.
Wala na po lugar dito kung sa inyong mga tawag panunolo, yan ang saad. Di ko kayo matatanggap mula loob hanggang labas.
But as I said, no, the passions are themselves that we have, we wrote. Filipinos wrote. So yung interpretasyon nun, maaaring may nanggaling din sa Espanya, pero marami makikita mo are really from here. The most famous passion, which is called Pasyong Genesis, was first published in 1814. And it is that passion which is the most popular and which has really been used by most synaculistas.
How faithful is the Passion to the Bible passages on the life of Jesus?
It's not. It's not. It was never meant to be. The Passion is basically the folk interpretation of the events in Christ's life, right?
Ano ang mga pagkakaiba na wala sa Bible?
Well, you have a lot of stories that are not found in the Bible, no? So the betrayal of Judas is portrayed as kawalan ng utang na loob kasi pinagmamalasakitan siya ng birhen, sabi niya, Judas, sabi niya, hindi mo ba alam na, kapag lagi na lamang pag nagluluto, merong bahaw para sa kanya, yung rice, no? Tinitiran siya ng rice kasi baka dumating siya, walang makain, right? And kayo ni Cristo palaging magkasama, you sleep in the same bed and so on. How could you have done this? In other words, ang kasalanan ni Judas is kawalan ng utang na loob, and that's very Pinoy, no?
One of the highlights of a cenaculo is the role played by the Virgin Mary. Unlike Western portrayals, the Virgin Mary is a central figure in the cenaculo. According to Chongson, this is a reflection of the dominant role women play in Philippine society.
Like there is a scene where Christ bids farewell, no? Alam ng birhen na, isa-sentence na siya, mamatay na. So ayaw siyang bigyan ng blessing para makaalis, no? And she protests this whole decision to have her son killed, right? So she talks to God the Father and protests, no? Sabi niya, ikaw, you can condemn him to death, but hindi ikaw naghirap dyan. But I brought him for 9 months, sinapupunan ko and so on. So it's very difficult for me to let him go, right? Nowhere in the New Testament will you find that, no?
Para din ni Cristo, gano'n, nangangarap.
Aling Gunding has been playing the Virgin Mary's role in their cenaculo in Cavite for the last 10 years. As in most cenaculos, the characters take the play very seriously. The cast commits to doing it year after year, even passing it on to friends and kin when they decide to retire.
Anong nararamdaman nyo kapag nagiging Kristo kayo sa cenaculo? kapag ginagampanan niyo ho yung papel na yan?
Kuwan lang. Parang pangmagaan ang pakiramdam mo.
Bakit ho kaya?
Aywan ko.
Nararamdaman niyo ho kaya yung nararamdaman ni Kristo nun?
Be, kung kukuhanin mo ba nasa sa iyo yun. Kung talagang didibdibin mo yung sinasabi mo, parang gano'n na rin yun.
Kung mapalad.
Would you consider the cenaculo a dying art?
In some places, it's dying. And there are several reasons for that, no?
Bakit? Konti na lang
Well,
namamanata.
Oh, hindi. Less and less people believe in it because of the influence of media. You know, people have gone to school. They look on this as, well, as sort of backward, no? So that affects both the financial support as well as the people who appear.
Would you call it backward?
Hindi, mahirap magbigay ng judgment na gano'n, no? I mean, ano ba ang backward? Ano ba ang progressive? Just because you have flushing toilets does not mean that you're progressive, no? It's really, I mean, an art form is valid for as long as it has meaning within the community that has given birth to it.
Pagsakop ko sa sala.